We are prone to various illness and diseases, of which the most common are cough and common cold. Every human in their life have experienced this disease. Both cough and common cold are contagious diseases and are caused when a person gets infected from another person or comes in contact with various bacteria and viruses causing this illness. The most common symptoms are running nose, coughing, sore nose and throat, irritation in nose, throat and ear, weakness, fever, etc. The most common medical solutions, including cough syrup, have various side effects, including drowsiness or dizziness, blurred vision, nausea or vomiting, nervousness, restlessness, or irritability. Hence, it is important to identify a solution that is safe, comfortable, provides immediate relief, and cure cough and cold. Suayu brings Breathe 8 cough syrup. It is a 100% natural Ayurvedic medicine, helpful in both productive and dry cough and common cold that provides quick action and immediate relief. Breathe 8 cough syrup is pure honey-based formulation, which is enriched with herbs like tulsi, vasa, yashti madhu, and soont, all known to have medicinal properties for curing cough and cold. It is also blended with other remedial herbs such as adulsa, lavang, guduchi, ringani, nagarmoth, dalchini, and trikatu. This synergistic blend of standardized extracts of effective herbs suppress cough, remove congestion, and relieve throat irritation and bronchial spasm. The formulation is 100% natural, safe, non-alcoholic, and does not cause drowsiness. The key benefits of Breathe 8 syrup are: it provides relief from cough, common cold, and throat irritation. It is beneficial in both productive and dry cough. It helps to liquefy mucus and its extraction. The cough suppressant properties reduces coughing action, providing great relief. The syrup soothes respiratory passages and reduces irritation. All these benefits together helps in relieving and recovering from cough and cold related symptoms quickly and effectively. These can save you from unnecessary trouble from this common illness and helps you keep going. Breathe 8 cough syrup is produced using ancient Ayurvedic knowledge and modern technologies. The formulation is free from heavy metals, steroids, and pesticides. A high emphasis is given to ensure each batch delivers consistent quality, good efficiency, and effective results every time. Try Suayu's Breathe 8 cough syrup and get instant relief from cough, common cold, and other breathing-related discomforts. You can buy Suayu products online at www.suayu.com. If you have any queries or require assistance, feel free to call our experts on toll-free number 1800-313-3132 or send us an email on info@suayu.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.